comfortable. And today's information which Master Sankit is going to give, let us all take it in and let us all implement that and understand this wonderful topic. Yeah. So I once again welcome uh, the old friends and also the new friends who have joined for the first time. And I'm Madhu. I'm for the ones who have joined new. I'm currently living in Germany, and we've been hosting this online sessions from past 1.5 year. And we're very happy to hold the meditation sessions. And today with us we have Master Sankit from Qatar, and he's basically from Ballari, India, and he's living in Qatar. He's working there, and he's a chartered accountant. He's an auditor over there, and he's going to share his wonderful transformational journey through meditation. Because at this young age, opting meditation and what meditation had brought into his life, he's going to share, and the magic of the thought process. So to listen to it, itself is very, very interesting and very much, like a calling. So please be ready. And I also request Master Sankit to guide us into our meditation as well. And later we will take some questions and experience sharings. Yes, friends. Welcome all once again. Yes, Master Sankit, welcome. Great to have you here.
Hi everyone. First of all, I thank everyone for taking your time and joining the session and listening to the few words and wisdom and my life experience I wanted to share. I thank everyone first of all. And myself, as Madhu Madam told, myself I'm Sankirt. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. I am from Ballari, Karnataka, India. Presently, I'm staying in Qatar, and it's almost 2 years in Qatar here, and I am working here as an internal auditor in Qatar here. And I will share my experiences, and I will tell about regarding thought process and my practice got it manifested in life. I will just share a few experiences also of mine, and then we can have some music meditation also, and I will guide also. First, I will share my experience of my CA only. Like I cleared my CA final. Is a voice audible, madam?
Yes, Sankit, it is audible. Yeah.
I cleared my CA final in fourth attempt. Almost after four failures also, like I was not depressed only. I was very much positive in life because a person who I am reading 4 times and I am passing subject. I am having more clarity than the person who has passed in the first subject. In such a way, I taken very much positively in my life, and I had proceeded. I was not even like much depressed also. After a result, after just 1 day, 2 day, again I was able to come back and easily focus on my study and concentrate. And almost I was able to study for 13 to 14 hours in a day. I was really amazed how this I'm getting so much concentration in my life. I was really shocked. That was time when I started my meditation very sincerely. Almost it was like by the age of 20 it is. Then I started meditation sincerely. Before that also I was meditating, but it was on the force of my mother only I was doing meditation. When my CA final study was there and I was meditating daily, and I'm using the pyramids, everything. It was amazing. Like I was getting so much concentration. And that after clearing my CA and during my CA final preparation, I decided myself there is something magic, there is some science behind this meditation and everything. Just by observing the breath, we are able to create these miracles. I realized there is benefit, and from that day regularly I started meditating. To tell literally, it became my basic need. How we take food, water without fail, in the same way, without fail I was meditating daily, compulsory. I fixed in my life that meditation is basic need, that's it. And telling the same everywhere. And like we are balancing our spiritual life. In the same way, we should balance our personal life, our professional life, office, everything. All three should go parallel. It's not like only one thing you focus and do only in those things only. Our spiritual life, our personal life, our family, and professional life. All three should go parallelly. All are in different tracks. All should go parallelly, not only spiritual or not only personal life or not only professional life, all three lives you balance it and go. That is very much important in the life, which I have realized from meditation, I will tell. And later on, coming to Qatar, like almost now I'm 27, 25 years I'm in my hometown only. My schooling, my education, my CA articles, everything I was in Ballar only. Suddenly I felt I require something change. I felt like I want to go outside, anywhere, job, anywhere I need to be. I started searching for a job in Qatar. In December, I decided I want to go anywhere for the job. And I informed to my office, and 1 month was the notice period. And in that 1 month, I started searching for the jobs also. In February, they confirmed the job, and in March, I came to Qatar. Just in 4 months, I came to Qatar. That's it. It's like everyone are asking me how it is like so much quick you got the job, everything. Everyone is surprised. But later on, when I came to Qatar, I came to know that in meditation only I came to know that the purpose for coming into Qatar was to tell about the science of meditation here, because there's no much awareness here, because you can create miracles in life by meditation. So like I realized later on that was a reason. So in just 4 months, like I was able to come easily to Qatar with my job, everything. Because generally to get jobs in abroad, the visa process, everything, we know how much complication will be there. But in just 4 months I was in Qatar, because my goal was linked, my own spiritual goal was there, because here I should tell about meditation. My That is my primary purpose. And secondary purpose is like earning money, my job, that is secondary. But my primary goal was to tell the science of meditation in Qatar here. So the work got done very faster when we are linking our goals to spiritual purpose. Because when we are doing for the benefit of many, it is not for the 1% benefit. Like many are getting benefited, because from meditation our health, everything, we have so much peace of mind, we can create miracles in life. So this what has reached me, I want this same to reach everyone. One second. This what has reached me, I wanted everyone should reach the benefit. It's like not only my family or my friends, every person should get this benefit. This simple technique, free of cost technique, many can get help from this, and they can create miracles in life. So when our goal is like for the benefit of everyone, easily it gets manifested, and your personal life and profession automatically gets benefited. Because when our primary purpose is that, if our primary purpose was like my goal was I should come to Qatar and earn my salary, everything, if that was there, it might taken some time, don't know. Since my goal was to tell this, I want to do this service here, so it got manifested very fast. Anything you are doing benefit for everyone, the work get done very fast, and the universe always supports in that cases. And it is like byproduct. You are doing service to society, your profession and personal life, it is a byproduct. You do not again put much focus on it, automatically the work gets done. That's it. That is our goal. And later on, coming here, like I created few meetup groups also in Qatar, and it was to reach the people, everyone I wanted to reach here in Qatar. And later on, initially I made one pamphlet, just basic pamphlet about meditation, and sharing with everyone. Many people were like, not much response was there. Later on, what happened, I written some articles about meditation here, and I prepared consolidated Excel file also. All the meditation class, whatever happening every in the abroad, everything I put in one file and I shared it with everyone. Like this I shared, then the few people started approaching me for the meditation. Here the presentation was same, only the mode of presentation was different. I changed the way of presenting and reaching the people. Same thing life, any it can be in a spiritual or profession, anywhere. We should always create. We have to be more creative in life. It's not like monotonous same thing you're doing, routine you're doing nothing. Something you do special, unique things you do some creative things in life. That is very much important, I learned. Because only the mode of presentation I changed, and few people started approaching me for meditation. Because this at last purpose was the benefit should reach, that's it, that's only our goal. Because what has reached us, we are sharing with everyone. Now I'm sharing because now I got the benefit in my life, and I'm sharing this to every person. Like we cannot again force any person, we can only tell that person. We can sow a seed, but it depends on the seed whether it has to become the plant or tree. And the rains will also help in becoming the seed to grow in as a plant. Here the seed is nothing but the other person, and the rain is nothing but universe. Universe always helps us. Our duty is to tell this, that's it. It depends on the seed, on the other person, whether he should get benefit or no. We cannot force, because everyone has got their own free will. Just tell what has reached us. We are telling. If they are interested, they will follow. Otherwise, when the time comes, they will not do it. But our duty is like to tell. It's not like I'll not sow the seed only. You put the seed. Whether to become a plant or not, it is on the seed depends. It's not like I'll not put seed means it's wrong again. Our duty is to sow the seed, and universe will arrange, take care everything at right time they arrange. Now I am able to share the benefit. I prepared any food and I have consumed the food now, and I know the taste of the food. Now I'm showing you the food and telling it's very tasty. When you'll come to the taste, only when you take the food you will know the taste. Same thing is with also. Now I got the benefits in my life, meditation, with meditation. Now I can just share my benefits. But when you have to receive that benefit, you have to meditate, you have to do it on a continuous basis regularly. Then you can fetch the benefits. Just by seeing other person benefit, you will not get. Only when you do it, you get the benefit out of it. Same with the food. However, you can compare it, and easily you will understand it. And next, regarding, I wanted to share one more experience regarding car. In India, I don't have any experience of driving car. First time I have come to Qatar, in 6 months, I have taken my license and have taken car here. After coming here in 2-3 months, I joined for the driving class and went. In 6 months. I have taken my license and my car also. This is also my thought process only. In Qatar here we have, it's like almost we have to spend 1 lakh Indian rupees to for the complete coaching, for the training, everything, license cost. And we have only two chances road test. I have kept only one thought, I will should clear the road test in the two chances. First test I had given, I could not clear the road test. Second chance, only one chance is there now. I request universe, I have to clear this in second chance only, because I don't want to spend this much amount unnecessarily to the driving class. I kept only one thought. This amount I can use for the other works, social works, whatever be. In the Qatar, I can use it for the anything, spiritual works, anything. I kept only just one thought. This amount I will use there. I don't want to spend this amount unnecessary for this driving school. Why should we spend unnecessary again 1 lakh to driving class? Same thing you can use for the spiritual works. It can get benefit to help other people gets benefited. With that thought, I gave second test and I passed I passed the test and took the license. See here also again, it is like you are connecting your goal with spiritual goal. Means that is getting benefit of everyone. When you connecting yourself for the benefit of everyone, what happens? It work get done easily. If it was only your personal only, means work gets delayed. Or I should have spent once again the amount. But I linked here my goal to a spiritual purpose. So in two chances I was able to finish off and I could save the amount. I not spend there. That amount I'm using for here spiritual purpose only, to tell about meditation. Other works also I can spread about meditation, everything. Tell about the science of meditation here, everything. For those works, I can use the expenditures, everything. This is my experience regarding my car license. Next, I'll have main thing is we should have gratitude, satisfaction in life, and we should have complete belief in the universe. Just trust the universe and go. Everything universe arrange at right time. Everything we will get it. I will give small example. Many these few things already I shared in some classes. I already shared in some classes, but since many are new, I will share about this share this once again. Now, when you go to any restaurant, you order any food, you have the trust in the waiter. No, he will give the right food. You will go in a cab, you have the trust in the cab driver that he will reach you the destination safely. You will never ask for the cab driver to show the license. You have trust in, you have belief in the driver and the waiter, they bring right food. In the same way, when you are able to show your trust in one waiter or a driver itself, you can blindly show your trust in the universe. 100% universe will arrange everything. Have patience, that's it. You can easily compare this with this, because universe is creation. When you're having trust in the small waiter or the cab driver, you can blindly have trust in the universe. It will definitely, what has to reach you at right time, it will reach you. Just have the trust and belief in the universe. Universe can be anything, it can be God, whatever you believe. Have that belief in that right time, it will reach you 100%. I'm sure. This I wanted to share. And coming to our topic also, now there are basically four types of thought, or it is like mindset, you can tell. On average, we generate 60,000 thoughts in a day. In that, 90% of thoughts are either related to past or they are related to future only. Only 10% is for the present only. And in that thoughts also, many thoughts are not our thoughts, they are other thoughts only, other people thoughts. We are having that thoughts. You can just think of how many thoughts are relevant and unnecessary unconsciously, how many thoughts are getting generated. Basically four types of thoughts we have. One is disastrous thought, next is negative thought, positive thought, and miraculous thought. If you are having disastrous thoughts, you will have disaster life. If you are having negative thought, negative life. Same thing repeats. What if you are having miraculous thoughts, you will have miraculous life. Same thing. I'll give small examples for all types of thought. First is disastrous thought. Now, one person is driving a car for the first time in city. He starts driving the car like telling, "I am driving the car for the first time in city. I may end up in accident." He will tell, and with that thought, he will start the class. So he will start the driving. What happens? He will end up in accident, because he himself with that thought he started driving the car. No, I may end up accident, he told, and started, he end up in accident. This is disastrous thought. Negative thought, he will tell, even though I am driving the car for the first time, he will tell, I may have accident or I may not have accident. He is 50-50. He is having both. He may reach safely, or he may have an accident. In like that, he is thinking. In this case, what happens? He might not have any accident, but he will end up in some problem for sure. He may go in wrong parking, or wrong direction. He may end up like that. He might not have accident, but he end up with some problems because of his thought. 50-50 is negative thought. Next is positive thought. In this case, what happens? He is telling, even though I'm driving the car for first time, I will reach the destination safely. He has that thought and he comes back safely. Nothing, no accident, no problem, nothing will happen. Safely he goes and he comes back. This is positive thought. Next is miraculous thought. This person is like, even though I'm driving the car first time, he will tell, I will finish my work safely and I'll come back in 20 minutes or 1 hour, whatever me the time. He is even fixing the time. See, this is a power of a miraculous thinking. Even though it's first time, he is so much thinking miraculously, I will finish and come back in 20 minutes safely, he's telling. This is the power of miraculous thinking. So in life, minimum you should have at least positive thinking. Maximum you have miraculous thinking in life. This I want to tell. This in life, like we are humans. We are humans. We will definitely have disastrous thoughts, negative thoughts. It's not like we will not get negative thoughts. We will get negative thoughts, but immediately you transform it into positive, miraculous thought. That's it. Even though you get one negative thought, you have one positive thought, it is balanced. Again, one more positive thought, you are over above that. That's it. When you get negative thought, immediately you transform it. That's it. To a positive. That's it. Very much important. This is our thoughts. And about this, like I told, this is negative thought means it is nothing but negative mindset. If disastrous means disaster mindset, it is same. I will tell one more story also regarding this mind. One teacher will tell to the students all sitting in front of the teacher. The teacher tells you bring water from the road. There is a small pit in the road. He tells you bring some water from the road to the student. The teacher goes. While going, he will listen to some sound of water. Then teacher goes. The student goes back to the teacher and asks, "Teacher, there is river. Can I bring the water over there? Because there will be fresh water." The teacher tells, "No, no, no. I want the water from the pit only." He tells. Okay, then student goes. Why teacher is so stubborn? I'm able to get so much fresh water from the river. He is so much stubborn. He wants from the road only. Okay, he goes to bring the water. Before he goes to the road to bring water, what happens? Suddenly, one vehicle goes and it goes. The tire goes in the water, and the full water is dirty. He goes sit there. He is thinking, how can I give this water to my teacher? How will drink this dirty water? He just sits there only, almost 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Sit. What happened of 20 minutes? All the mud, what is there? Everything is settled down. Only the fresh water is at the top. He takes the water, he becomes happy. Oh, at least like something fresh water I got. He takes the water and he goes to the teacher and he gives the water to the teacher. And the teacher drinks the water and he keeps quiet. Student asks, "Teacher, there is something you want to tell me. There is some lesson learning from this." He asks to tell. Then the teacher tells, "Our mind is also like mud only. It's filled with full mud. It's filled. More you stir, what happens in these thoughts? You are in confused state only. For the water, you just leave it. It will settle down. What happens in that when there is some water, you are continuously stirring. What happens? The water becomes still more dirty. It doesn't settle down. If you leave it to settle, what happens? For 10-15 minutes, all the mud is settled down and only the fresh water is there at top. In the same way, our mind, always we are running with the thoughts, unnecessary thoughts. You are just binded in the you are binded in those thoughts. You just relax your mind, just meditate or just stay quiet. That's it. Let the thoughts settle down. What happens when the thoughts settle down? Your decisions are accurate. With that peace of mind, what happens? You take perfect decisions in life. If you're in those thoughts only, unnecessary thought, what happens? Your decisions are inaccurate. So just let it relax. Same way, how you can compare this also with our mind. The water is just settle down. Here also, just the thoughts settle down. Then your decisions are accurate. You can just aptly compare this example in our life. The more you stir, more there is confusion. Same way goes with thought also. More you stir in the thoughts, there is confusion in life. No clarity. Just the thoughts settle down. You will have that clarity in life. This I wanted to share the story about these thoughts. And next I wanted to share about one more example regarding raw food retreat. As you know, everyone know, Madhu madam had hosted this raw food retreat program of 15 days. Almost was 2 months back. I had also joined this raw food retreat program, but like initially I was thinking whether to I can whether I will I be able to do it or not. Then they told me it's not like 15 days you do compulsory. No, you do 3 days and you can drop if you don't want. So I decided, okay, I will do, because almost in 26 years, like never like fruits or vegetables, only just 2-3 pieces to take on force of others. So I was thinking, how can I do this? But okay, I will thought, let me give it a try. I joined it. It like fruits and vegetables was the main course only here. I before never used to have even just 2-3 pieces to have fruits or vegetables. Now it is my main course, the fruits vegetables. After joining the group, because of the group energies and the motivation and all the people, so much they're encouraging and we are getting that encouragement. And I felt with I only with one thought head, I will finish 15 days raw food retreat. I have fixed it very strongly, and I was successfully completed 15 days this raw food retreat. Even between also I had one challenge. There was a birthday of my colleague, and we had went to birthday also. I was so much strong. They ordered everything and they had starters, chats, everything they were having. But I was very strong. I had just only the juice, that's it. And I was able to successfully cross challenge also. By this, what happened? I was able to test my willpower also. I increased my willpower also by this. When we are able to control on the food, what happens? Anything you can easily control in life. And I told, as you told again, it is our thought only again. With our thoughts we can do it. And with my thought I had fixed very strongly, I will be on 15 days on this raw food diet. I fixed and successfully I completed it. And it was like great achievement. I felt very happy. Okay, in my life it's like I broke my routine only. Almost 27 years we are on the same food. Suddenly I broke the routine. It was amazing experience also. Same flow, I just broke it routine. And it was very good experience also I gained from this raw food retreat program also. And one more example of I want to share, it's almost 2 weeks back. Like I wanted to apply for a card, and it is like only daily they issue only 100 tokens only. And I went almost there 1 hour before only to get the token. By the time I go, like I was almost 120th person almost. It is like almost 110 plus 120th person I was there. But I sat there because I kept on one thought, I will take the token and come. That's it. I sat there. One more person, he came there, he counted all the person, and the security guard also told, you are more than 100, you will not get the token, he told. And that one more person, he went away. And one more person sitting beside me is speaking over the phone. He is telling someone, whether friend, don't know who is he. He is telling, I am almost 100 plus person, I may not get token. He is telling. I was quiet. Later on in the front row, only we had to sit 4 people. In that only 3 people are sitting. And the security told, you can go and sit there. I immediately went there and sat there in the front row. I went and sat immediately there. Again that person told, you are very lucky, he told. You got the front seat. I just thought in my mind, here it is nothing question of luck, nothing. It is my thought. I had only one thought, I will take the token and go to home, that's it. That person is speaking in phone, is telling thought, I may not get token. You are telling me you will not get, that's it, kalas. There again no question of luck. With my thought, I was able to create the situation in my life. Like this, when I applied this, I was very much happy. Like with our thoughts, we can create the situations and realities. The token I have got, because with my own thought, I created the situation, I collected the token and I came. It is nothing question of luck here. Everything is our thought. With our thought, you can create the situations in life. Apply it. Because now what I have gained, I am applying in life. When there is application in life, the enjoyment you get, it's amazing. Because with my own thoughts, I got the token and I came. It was really amazing. I felt very happy that day also. With more thoughts, you can create. It can be anywhere, in our office or personal life, anywhere you apply. With your thoughts, you create the situation there. It is amazing, really. And your thoughts are the language to the universe. How I am communicating to you in the Zoom, or how you communicate to any person over the phone, same way our thoughts are the communication to the universe. It is the language for the universe. You are sending those thoughts to the universe, it will get happen. Because universe doesn't know whether it is good or bad. If you're asking something, universe thinks you want it and it just gives to you. Many people will ask, like, I don't want bad health, I don't want negativity in life. You're asking every time. You're always telling to the universe, I don't want negativity in life. You are constantly repeating these words, negativity, I don't want bad health in life. Universe thinks you want negativity in life, it gives negativity to you. Because universe doesn't look whether you want or don't want. You are telling, constantly repeating negativity, it happens. Your way of asking universe should be, I want good health, or I want positivity in life. That is the way you ask universe. You should be very, very much clear to the universe. Have clarity, be very straight. Because I told, universe doesn't know good and bad. Even if you ask bad, it thinks you want, it gives. Because the energy is same only. You can use in the which direction you want. Either you can use it in the positive or you can use negative. If you are using it in the positive, okay, well and good. If you are using it for the negative purpose, it will happen, but you have to face the consequence of that also. It is like mirror image only. You are smiling in the mirror. If you smile, the mirror smiles back to you. If you cry, it also same thing is reflection. Same way here also. Which way you can use the energy in any way. If you are using it for negative purpose, you have to face the consequence for that. That is for sure. So be very apt and clear. When you ask universe, be very very much clear. We will ask in a negative way, don't ask in a negation way. You ask in a positive way. I want positivity in life, then you will have positivity in life, because here also your thoughts are getting manifested. You are creating the realities. Later on you will blame everyone. You are telling universe, I don't want negativity. Later on many negative things happen in life, you will blame everyone, you will blame others. Why negative things happen in my life? Your one thought created, it is unconsciously, and you are knowingly you are doing, but you don't know with thoughts you are creating. Many people don't even know with our thoughts we are creating situation. Unconsciously we might be speaking over phone, we are telling, but many don't know with our thoughts. They think how with thoughts we can create, because thoughts is the language to the universe. So be very very cautious in this thought, what thoughts you are having. Be very much awareful. When you meditate, what happens, there is so much awareness you have in life. You are watchful of every thought what you have. You are so much watchful on the thought. So try to meditate regularly. It is amazing you will have, because it is my practical experience I'm sharing. You can create miracles in life. That is very much important in life. I wanted to share this one also. And next, one more thing I wanted to share about, recently last week I am driving here a sedan car, and last week like we had some get together. I should have go outside. They told me to drive SUV car and to pick up another family, but I never driven SUV car. But again I kept only one thought, I will drive that car. Because it's a big car. I have driven sedan, it's very small car, but I have driven SUV. But I only one thought, I will drive safely and I come back safely. That's it. With that thought I started, and everything I driven that SUV big car, and I came back safely. Like this, small things I'm applying in life. It's amazing, because what you give, you get back. Even when I drive, also what happens when I'm entering any road, if other person wants, sorry, if I'm on the main road, if anyone wants to enter the road, I'll give him the way. Let him enter. There's no urgency. Like that, because I'm giving many person the way to enter. What happens when I want to enter the main road, even though I'll not ask, they only tell me to enter there, because I know this is law of karma. What you give, you get back. Like that, I'm applying these all things in my life. When I drive, I give the way. So I'm also getting the way. When I'll not even ask also one time. They will only tell you enter the road. Like that, small things I'm applying in life, and I'm getting the benefit. That is amazing, really. You can apply in our day-to-day life, so you can apply. You can create miracles, that's for sure. And one more thing regarding, and one more thing I wanted to share is, first week, this also, this wordings I got when I'm speaking to my mother, I had got these words. First we create anything and manifest in the mental plane, that is our mind. Then it gets created and manifested in the physical plane. Same thing, when we are drawing any picture, first we visualize in the mind what to draw. Later on it gets projected in the paper. Same thing with the life also. Whatever, everything, first you create and manifest it in the mental plane, that is our mind. Later on same thing gets created and manifested in the physical plane, that is physical life. So with these thoughts you can create miracles in life. By this I want, like this I wanted to conclude. In life, try to have minimum positive thinking. If possible, maximum have miraculous thinking. That's very much important, because I was able to apply this in my life. With these thoughts you can create situations everywhere. It can be anything, whether be spiritual, be office, be house, family, anywhere. With your thoughts you can create the realities and the situations. Anything you're constantly telling, it happens. So instead of using it in a negative or those that, you try to apply it in a positive way, you will have amazing life. That is for sure. I can assure you. This is the benefits. Like these are almost like, there's still many I'm having benefit, but it is like I've taken few experiences like that. Small things we go on telling, like there are many, because Everyone is like unlimited being. We are this infinite beings. We can manifest because everyone is this, like we all are groups, all we are one drop of the ocean. All are the drops only. We think what a drop can create. When the drops of water merge, what happens, the ocean is formed. We think we are not, we only drop. This is not the question of drop. When the drop is coming together, it becomes ocean. That is the power of the drop of water. So never underestimate, we are only drop of water. When you are coming together with every person, that drop becomes ocean only. So you are coming from that ocean only, means you are that ocean, means there, that much there is unlimited. We are beings, we can create anything. We have that power to manifest anything in our life. And even in life, even small things also, we might have plus points and benefits. Try to focus on that. Many people think only when a very big thing happen, then only you thank. It's not the question of big thing happening. Even small things happening in life, try to thank everything. Daily you thank for whatever food you're getting, for the job, for everything. You just thank the universe. That's very much important. Not like only big thing happen, big achievements happen in life, then only I will thank the universe, or then only I will thank the god. It's not question of nothing. You thank for even minute of minute things. If anything happening good, you just thank the universe. You can, with this gratitude, you can create miracles. You should have gratitude. Thankingness is very much important in life. Your thoughts, your mindset, these all are very much important in our life, because with this we will create miracles. Try it, if possible you have miraculous thoughts only, and have miraculous thoughts, and you will have miraculous life. And you can just watch it. This whatever is there, I am just sharing. You can create magics only. That's why even the topic also, just I was thinking what topic I should give. Just I was thinking, I thought, yeah, magic of thought process. You can create magic by your thought process. Magics, miracles you can create by your thought process. You just apply in life and watch it. You will definitely have magics, and later on you will only message me or call up to, yeah, definitely I will create wonders. You will think that is for sure, 100%. You will create magics in life. By this, I wanted to conclude this topic. I thank everyone, whoever is watching live or whoever watches later on, everyone taking your time, patience, and listening to me. Whatever wisdom I am having, I'm sharing. I'm always accepted. I'll be in that acceptance mode always. Anyone is sharing, I'm always in that acceptance mode. Never be rejected. No, don't reject, because you can learn from a small child to a big person. It's not like he is small means nothing learning. Even a small kid can teach you. So learn from every person. Right from small baby to big person, you can learn from every person. That is very much important in life. Learn from everyone and enjoy the life. Be in the present moment, enjoy the life. Don't be in the past, don't be in the future. Be in the present moment, enjoy the present. That is for sure, you can create miracles in life. I thank all the people, I thank universe, I thank Madhura masters also for giving me this opportunity to share this wonderful topic. Thank you everyone, thank you, love you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Master Sankit. It was very inspirational. Each word and each experience that you have shared, it's amazing because this is your experience. When you share your experience, matters a lot. It touches each one of us. And thank you for bringing small concepts, though they are very simple, but it's very hard to implement. It's very hard to implement. And from now on, we will make sure that our thoughts are maximum to the miraculous. So thank you so much, Master Sankit. And will you be able to guide us, Master Sankit, for about 20 to 25 minutes?
Yes, ma'am, I will guide you.
Yes. Okay, friends.
If you course, I can share the music also, madam.
Yes. You can share the music, Sankit.
One more thing I want to tell. I am able to tell with so much confidence because this I got this benefit in my life. So I can tell with so much confidence. You meditate and you will definitely get the benefit. It's not like others have got benefit and I'm seeing them and telling you. It's my own life. It's my own personal experience. I have got it. So I can tell with so much confidence, assurance. You will definitely get the benefit. Just meditate and see the magic in your life. That's it. You make me co-host, madam. I can share the music. How much minutes, madam? 25 minutes or 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20-25 minutes.
Okay.
You're already co-host. Yes, please. Your voice is not audible, Sankeet. You have to reduce the volume. You have to reduce the volume of the music. Music is audible. If you can reduce the volume of the music, we can able to hear you. It's not audible, Sankeet. Yeah, do you want me to share the music from our side? I'll do that. Okay.
It's okay, madam. Music, no?
Without sharing, you can because no audio share is required, Sankeet, because we are able to hear the music as it is.
Okay. Now it's okay, madam.
Now your voice is also audible. Yes, please.
Okay.
Please go ahead, Master.
Everyone, sit in a relaxed position. Sit comfortably. Just clasp your hands. Cross your legs. Just sit relaxedly. Just observe the breath. Don't go behind the thoughts. Sit freely, relaxedly. You can take support of the wall. You can sit in either chair or you can sit on the floor. Sit comfortably. Just observe the breath. If you are not able to focus on the breath, just focus on the music. Just observe the breath. Be with your breath. Don't go behind the thoughts. Just focus on the breath. be with your breath. Sit freely. You can feel the enormous cosmic energies entering your body. The energy is just flowing within the body. Just be with your breath. Sit relaxed. Sit comfortable. it freely. Just be with your breath. Last 5 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Slowly place your hands on the mouth for 2 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. Slowly you can open your eyes and you can come back to this world. Slowly come back. Slowly open your eyes.
Yes, Master Sankit.
Hi, Master. Thank you everyone
So,
for meditating with us.
so thank you so much, Master Sankit, for giving us an opportunity to listen to your experiences and also your wonderful guidance. It was very, very deep, and we hope you'll have some group over there in Qatar. And I know that you are working alone there, in the sense like the spiritual work. I'm sure it is going to grow. You are the light bearer, and many people will join you. So you have a miraculous thinking, and it will
Universe is there with us.
manifest.
We cannot see universe, but universe is always there with us. We'll see only with physical eyes who is there.
Yes,
But universe is always there with us. That is there means enough. Non anyone. That is important.
yes, that's
We-
really
yeah.
really nice,
What does
Master
reach
Sankit.
us? We are just sharing everyone so that they can benefit in their life and they can have happy life, healthy life. Because at last, how much ever we earn, at last we require happy life, healthy life. That is important. Enjoy
Very
the
true.
life. Have a blissful life. That's
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Sankit. Friends, if you have any questions or if you want to share anything to Master Sankit, please go ahead and unmute yourself. Yes, Swapna, please go ahead.
Hi, Madhu. Hi,
Hi.
Sanket ji.
hi.
What a wonderful wisdom and beautiful tip shared. Actually, we hear a lot of wisdom, but uh, you so beautifully explained how you practically applied it in every walk of your life and how it immensely helped you with all those little examples. I mean, they are not little actually. Every experience of yours is like a reminder for us, you know, how to think. And thank you so much for talking about I love the analogy of how you said mirror concept, wherein if you smile, you know, that's what you see in the mirror. In the same way, however your thoughts are, that's how the universe responds. That's a wonderful analogy. And even while I was guiding these meditations and I was sharing some articles in Beam group, he used to add beautiful tips. So even the other day too, about vegetarianism, how you explained about if if the house is on fire, what will you save first, the way, you know, we can explain to kids. So every tip that you share is very valuable, and your perspectives are things that are helpful to each and every one, especially the beginners.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Sanketji, for all the valuable wisdom.
Thank you for your words, Sapna madam.
Yes, thank you so much, Swapna. Yes, yes, as Swapna said, Sankit, you give tips to all of us. That thought did not come, like as Swapna was mentioning about the when a house caught into fire, and who will we save? So wonderful, wonderful. Like this, in this way we can explain to our kids. So thank you so much, Sankit, for this.
He is also part of his joining our 40-day meditation challenge in Austin, and there
Wow,
too he adds a lot of great tips. So
wow.
thank you so much.
Wow, great job, Sankit. Very happy to know.
Even our colleagues joined, madam. I want to thank all the colleagues and my friends who joined today. Really, really happy. Thank you
Wow.
everyone for the colleagues.
Yes,
Jagannath, raise hand, madam, please.
yes, Jagannath sir. Please go ahead.
Hello, hi.
Evening, Sankirtan Kalan ma'am.
Hi.
Hello.
I had the doubt that we can do meditation at any time or we should do it on a specific time.
You can meditate anytime, Sonu. Anytime, any place. Whenever you get time, you just meditate. Any place. There's no condition at all, any condition. Wherever, even in school also, you're getting lunchtime, some 5 and 2 minutes. You can just close eyes and just observe the breath and you can meditate. You are going in the bus or you're going with the father, he's dropping you in the school. You're sitting beside. In that time also you can meditate while your father is driving. You are just sitting alone. You can just close eyes and just cross legs and clasp hands and just observe the breath. That's it. Anywhere you can do, anytime. Nothing condition is there. Before bath, before food, after food. Anytime you do, just meditate. And the reason for observing our breath is because when you close eyes, what happens? You get many thoughts. To stop those thoughts only, we put our focus on the breath. Because when there is full of emptiness, the energy flows easily. There is one pipe, there is full mud in that. What happens? The water cannot flow easily, no? what you have to do, you should remove the mud in the pipe, then the water flows very easily. That's it. In the same way, when the cosmic energy is entering our mind, when there are many thoughts, what happens, the energy is getting obstructed, it doesn't flow smoothly, easily. So what you should do, you should go to that thoughtless state, and to reach that thoughtless state, what you will do, you will put your focus on the breath. When you observe your breath, your mind becomes empty, because when you're giving one work to the your mind, it doesn't think on other things, you're just focusing on the breath. Simple. Other things doesn't come, like what school homework I should do, all those things you will not get. You'll be getting, but again you put back your focus on the breath. That's it. You will reach that thoughtless state, and the energy will easily flow in yourself, and it will definitely help for your studies also, because you are in now school. You can easily have increase your memory power, concentration, because I also in my studies, I got benefits in my studies only. Later on, now I am applying this in my practical life, in my office, everywhere I'm applying. Because initially, when I was in studies only, I realized the benefit how I can apply in my studies. The concentration, memory power. Now it is the right time you are starting. It is amazing, because the children are the future. Because when you meditate, you become an inspiration to many, not only your family. You become inspiration for your school. Seeing your changes, other people will change themselves. They will transform. You can become a transformation for millions of people. One person, you cannot never underestimate yourself. I'm only one person. You one person can transform millions of people. That is the power of a man. That you have to realize it. That is important. You just meditate. You do regularly, even though you can't sit in singles or 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You have it sessions. You meditate morning 5 minutes, again in the lunchtime or the night 5 minutes. You make sessions and do regularly, continuously for 21 days, 41 days. Definitely, you will have amazing life, and you can get benefit in your studies only. Simple. Once you get benefit, kalas, everything is perfect, and you can other place also will apply it. Thank you for joining also. Thank you, Jagannath bhai. All.
Wow. Thank you so much, Sangeet. Master Ram? Yes.
Sankeet,
Ah.
this world is khalas with your energy. What an energy you have. And with your miraculous thinking, not just Qatar that you are going to change, the whole world you are going to change.
Thank you.
The way you are, your passion in sharing your real experiences can only change everyone who comes in contact with you.
Thank you.
So very fortunate to be here together with all friends and listen to your journey, listen to your to feel your energy, to completely transform our energy with your voice. So that's a beautiful day. I'm sure all our friends here who had been hearing you transformed their thoughts into miraculous way of thinking from now, from positive to miraculous. So beautiful. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for your words, Ram sir.
Yes. Thanks, Ram. Yes, friends. Yes, Lakshmi, please go ahead.
Yes. Hi, Sankeet. Very, very nice listening to your speech. It was really wonderful. And the examples you gave, it's like a very simple example, but has a lot of meanings and it's easily conveyable to people. And I've been hearing you talking in many of the sessions, but today after hearing your speech, I was blown out, and I really appreciate the passion you have for meditation, and this is really encouraging for the beginners as well. So even we get inspired, we get motivated. Okay, yeah, yes, we have to do it in this way. One thing I want to add is, like, many a times we think positively, and for me personally, I have manifested many things in my life and it has happened, but still somewhere I was dropping in my energy levels. But today after listening to you, it was much more clear that I have to start thinking miraculously again today morning also I was thinking why I'm not manifesting anything in life, and today evening I got all the explanation or the answer from you. Thank you so much. And one thing I had the question, when you gave that example of water, right? The teacher asked for the water, and then the teacher said allow it to settle down. Sometimes what I have faced is some thoughts comes into the mind, and how much ever I try to deviate or try I want to get rid of it, it becomes quite very very difficult to get rid of those thoughts. And recently also some incident happened, like for me, I was like not okay for the complete whole day. I know it was an unimportant one, and I know everything, but still I was not able to get rid of that thought from my mind. So how do you suggest, like what is a tip for that? Maybe it is helpful for others as well.
Only thing I can tell is just meditate.
Hmm.
Just put your focus on the breath, because what happens, more you keep on repeating those thoughts, that again keeps on increasing, because when you're constantly repeating any thought or problem, it increases, it never decreases. Simply is it like you have to forget, or you have to, that thought is negative, add for that positive, and you have to just transform the thought itself. More we repeat, the more it increases, problem increases, never decreases. You have to remove the thought or add the positive. You're getting one negative, that you tell it in a positive way only. You are getting, I will not do it. You just tell, I will do it. That's it. Whatever you're getting thought negative, that you in a positive way, just keep on repeating. By your like your what is that? You continuously keep on repeating positive. That negative should get. I am like, oh, he will not be negative. We should keep on repeating the positive words. That negativity words should get like bored, and it should get lost. It's like that it should be. Keep on repeating that positive words. Just what negative sentence you're getting, that in a positive way only you keep on repeating. That's it. That will definitely vanish. That's it. Simple.
Wonderful,
Or just
wonderful.
observe the breath. That's otherwise that is only the best thing is observing the breath, or you engage in some work, that otherwise that is the best thing. Otherwise you engage in the work, so that if you keep on sitting silently, what happens again, you keep on repeating, or you should engage yourself in some work, then that thought will be not. That's it. Simple.
Yes, yes. I mean, I tried with multiple ways, and it did not help. Then I just went out for a long walk
Yes.
outside. So that it was cold, like minus 15 degrees. Then also I thought that, okay, I have to just go out for a walk. That will only help me out. So I just went out for a walk.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi ji, please go ahead.
Thank you, Madhu and Ramji, for bringing Master Sankeet online. I mean, awesome. The job, the work you all do, and his tips were awesome. I can't appreciate enough. I love his, just like everybody said, his reinforcement on putting things out in the universe is awesome. I would love to share also with my son and my family the same. It's just more clear. I can't thank enough. I kind of missed what all that story. Perhaps I missed or didn't attend the session. You're talking about the fire. If y'all want to finish that story, I don't know what that is. If your house is on fire, what will you save the first? I perhaps missed it.
Yes, Sankeet, maybe you can share that story. Yeah.
Yes, it is regarding like any house has got caught fire, and in the house there are some pet animals, and there are some tomatoes, vegetables in the fridge. Which one we will save, whether animal or the vegetables?
Animal.
Then it is common. So like it was about the food which we are discussing, the importance of plant-based food we were discussing. So like that, just had given an example which you share, because we know which is having life, because animals have got emotions. How we also react, same way the animals also got emotions, feelings. They have got receptors, everything. So we know we will save animals only. If house is caught fire, you don't go and bring the tomatoes and vegetables and keep outside. You save animals. This is all like common things we already know, but will not apply. That was example I had given then, which you will save Depends on you. You only answer and you can take decision whether it's correct or no. That's it. Others not tell, because when any now I am telling, if the change is coming from outside forces, it is only temporary change. But when the change is coming from inside, inner, that's a permanent change. When I tell, when I'm there, you might do. When I'm not there, again you will not do. So when the change is coming from inner, it is permanent change. So just you yourself question, then you will get the answer. That is a permanent change. That's it. Like that.
Thank
That
you.
was the example I had given, madam.
Very nice. Did anybody interview you? Is there an interview that is online that I don't know?
Which one, madam?
Apart from this, you know how they're doing interviews with masters. Is there an interview with you also?
I think soon Master Sankit will do that interviews, Lakshmi ji.
Oh, I see. It's just so interesting, you know, how is that? I would love to listen to his life.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much again.
Thank you, Lakshmi ji.
Hello. Hello,
Yes,
Master
Meena.
Sankit.
Yes, Meena.
Hi,
Nice
madam.
listening to you today, and the meditation is also beautiful. I couldn't join for your meditations on Fridays, but now I got the opportunity to meditate with you all. And the tips which you have shared are very beautiful and to follow in the real life. And Master Sankit is to go person always. For every question, he has an answer. If I have something to talk, he will be always approachable. And every question I ask, he comes out with examples and tips and explains very detailed and clearly. So thanks for all your guidance and helping. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Meena, madam, for joining session. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Wow. Thank you so much, Sankit, for what you're doing. Amazing, amazing inspiration you are. You're always available. I think this is what we all must do, isn't it? Like we should always be available for our fellow friends and our neighbors and our community, because in that way we are creating a difference. And I'm so happy to see the way you are creating a difference, Sankit. So thank you so much for your wonderful work which you're doing.
Because that happiness we cannot compare anything. We will not get that happiness with our money or job. The
Very
happiness
true.
which when we share about meditation and they're getting benefit. Here only some people have came and told, now I'm able to have peace of mind. I'm able to sleep very nicely. When they're sharing that experiences, it is not at all. I cannot compare it. We cannot compare with money only. Because
That's true.
money can buy many things, but money cannot buy everything. That's for sure. It can buy many things, but not everything you can buy with money. And the happiness which we get is not at all comparable. You cannot compare with money only. The happiness which we get when person shares his benefit to us, it is so amazing. We feel so happy for that. So this it like give and take only. We are giving happiness and we are getting double, triple happiness. It is that is science again. It universal why it is, whether we believe it or not, that is the science. That's it. What
Wow.
if we get back? That's it.
Yes. I completely agree with it, Master Sankir, because this is what we have been doing, and each time, like it's like we want to do more, because we don't want to stop. This is the end. We don't want to do that. If one day if there is no meditation session, we feel, oh, today we missed something. So, so thank you for being an inspiration, and we will surely have your sessions more in the coming future if you have time and if you're available.
Thank you, definitely, madam. This also it was like only normally I was chatting with Ram sir. It became session. It got transformed to session only.
Yes. It's always good to, because experience sharing in this manner is very much important, Sankit, because everybody should come up and share their experiences, what they had benefited from meditation or through some lessons that they have implemented in their lives. So, and seeing you, many of our friends here, they come forward and they will surely share their own stories and their own experiences. Thank you for being this inspiration, Sankit. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you.
I will conclude by the topic only. Even this session also, I kept only one thought. I will successfully finish the speech and the meditation. This is live example. You can see successfully completed. This is also my own thought. I kept the only one thought before starting the class. I will successfully finish the class and meditation, and it is in front of your own eyes. Every person who is watching, successfully the class is completed. This is also my creation only. My thought getting manifested. Thank you
Wow.
everyone for joining.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sankit. Thank you. Yes, friends. Yes, Ram.
Thank you, Sanket. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir. Madam, someone is asking number. I think so she's already in group.
Yeah, maybe Madhu, can you please share the WhatsApp group details? We have Sujata, madam. I think you want to talk.
Yes.
You need to unmute yourself.
Yes, she's my mother only. She's my mother.
Namaste, sir. Namaste, madam.
Namaste,
madam.
namaste, auntie.
I am mother of Sankeet. I am feeling very proud having a great son like Sankeet. Day by day, he is improving in spiritual. I am feeling very happy. He is going ahead. Super.
Okay, thank you.
I want to express my happiness, so I called. I joined in this.
Nice. We would like to know more about you in future.
Okay.
My mother only taught me, but she is only the root cause. Like, I am entered with meditation because of my mother only. She thought initially she was forcing do meditation. I was not at all doing meditation. When I observed myself, then she was not even telling. I was myself doing on my own. That's it. And she always tell for the children, it's not the property which we give. The meditation which we give, that property, that is carrying with us, that is coming with us with lifetime. Many parents think we will give that property our to son, that how much gold will give. That is not even coming with us. The property is our meditation only. That benefit which are getting life, that carries with us with many lifetimes. That parents should give to the children. This is the property everyone should get. Meditation is the biggest property that children should get.
Brahmati Patriji is telling the same point, madam. We should teach children first meditation, not your property first. We should give meditation to them. Okay, madam, by you and he will be having spiritual growth so much, I think.
Madam, today we got 2 masters bonanza, it's from thanks to you, madam, that we got hold of Sankeet, and thanks to Sankeet that we came to connect to you, madam. Both
by
wonderful,
you and madam,
beautiful
he will
masters.
glow like a diamond. Thank
He's
you,
already
sir.
a diamond. There is, madam, maybe if you have time, maybe share a bit of yourself, your experiences, your journey, if you're available.
In English, I cannot talk so much fluent.
You can do it in Telugu and Madhu will translate to English. Or Sankeet will translate to English.
No problem. She will much you can sit. Otherwise, you can mix with Telugu and Telugu.
Okay. I entered in meditation 2008 with family problem only. I have entered and started. My sister teach me the meditation. I started with interest to solve that problem. By meditation, I have solved the problem so easily and teach children's meditation. Sankeet and I have 2 sons. He is elder. Sankeet is elder and younger is Rohit. He is doing job in near Ballari, Jindal. Both are doing jobs successfully, education and job successfully. Simultaneously, they are spreading, they are doing meditation and spreading to their friends, relations, to everybody. By seeing them, I will feel happy, so much happy. By doing meditation, I got dhairya. In English, what we will call?
We are fearless.
Courage.
Fearless.
Courage.
Courage and fearless I got. Before I cannot speak so dare and nowadays I am giving classes in Ballari also. 2-3 years I have started giving classes in Telugu and Kannada. I came from Andhra, but by coming to Ballari, I have learned Kannada. And also nowadays I am giving classes in Kannada also. Recently in Pyramid Call Center, Kannada, Bangalore, I gave 1 hour my experience, everything I told in Kannada. I have achieved so many goals. In that, main purpose is I want to construct a pyramid on our house. We have constructed in 2017. The pyramid size is 21 by 21. Our Guru Brahmarshi Patriji came and he has opened the pyramid. He gave the name Adi Shakti to that pyramid. I am busy with organizing group meditation classes and in a spiritual arranging in spiritual classes. I am very busy. I am making my life very happy with spiritual works. So there are so many to express. I am making my life very happily with spirituality and teaching many persons and also participating in Shakahari rally in Ballari. So many rallies, classes, so many in the spiritual works. I am doing many and making my life very happy. Okay, sir, Madhu,
Wow.
and thank you for giving opportunity
Thank
telling
you.
about. And I am very proud to say Sankit is my son. Okay, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing this experience.
Yes, madam. We are also very proud that we could hear two very, very great masters,
Yes, sir.
Sankir sir and Sujata madam. And you both are Sujata madam. You are a role model for every mother,
Yes,
and
yes.
Sankit sir, you are a role model for every human being, every son.
Yes, sir.
This is how everyone should lead their life: simple,
Yes, sir.
joyful.
Yes, sir.
And you both are just between us, the living examples.
Yes, sir.
It's so very inspirational. We are very fortunate. We are so lucky that we are living in the same space you guys are living.
We also same, sir.
Very, very inspirational. Very
Okay.
inspirational.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Madhu, madam.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you so much, Sujata auntie. Asalu, I mean, you spoke very well, and you have really inspired us. And your words, each word is an inspiration for each mother. And thank you
He's
so
also
much.
teaching English to me. How to speak.
You are speaking perfectly.
In Qatar, he has arranged Zoom classes every Friday. Every Friday, he will tell how much you can tell in English only. You learn in English. Now you have learned Kannada. Now you
Okay.
learn in English, and you can tell in English also future.
Wow. See,
Sankit, I am
you
learning
you I think you prepared Sankit, and now Sankit is preparing you for a bigger
correct.
platform. That's amazing. Wow.
He's updating me.
Wow, I think this is how a mother and child relationship should be, sharing a spiritual connection and discussing all these concepts, and being an inspiration to each other, learning from each other. Wow, what a we are so happy to see you both today. I mean, it's a surprise, Sankit.
Okay, madam.
Wow,
Thank you.
thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, madam.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Good night, madam.
Good night. Good night. Yes, Lakshmi ji.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Lakshmi ji. Thank you so much once again, Sankit, and we will hear you more in the coming days. Yes.
Definitely, I'm
Thank
ready
you.
to share my wisdom and experience anytime.
Yes, thank
I'm
you.
just
Thank
surrender to this universe. That's it.
yes.
Universe will take me anywhere. I am just surrender to universe. There's nothing question of I am doing everything. Universe is arranging. I am just an instrument. I'm mode of instrument, and I am doing all the works. Universe is arranging through me. That's it.
True.
I'm happy that universe has selected me, and I have just surrendered to the universe. And whatever work has to be done, everything universe does, and I am just surrendered to the universe. That's it.
Wow. Wow. Thank you so much, Sankit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Wonderful, Sankirtan. Thank you for introducing your mom. And it is really nice to see Auntie talking. And all these days I was thinking education is the only thing what we need to give kids. But today I learned something that we have to share our spiritual knowledge also. Yes. Thank you so much. This is really helpful.
Very, very good point, Lakshmi. Yes,
Yes.
as Auntie and as Sankita was telling, the properties, we should not speak to kids about the properties. We should give them the right values. We should give them the spiritual education. That is the greatest assets that we can give to our kids. So
Yes.
wonderful.
True.
Very, very great role models. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sankirtan Auntie. Yeah.
Sujata Auntie,
Madhuji, are you
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. If you are still online. I felt happy that she can talk Kannada.
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಸಂಕೀರ್ತ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಂಟಿ, ಸೂಪರ್. ನಿಮ್ ತರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ, ನಮ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು. ನನಗೆ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನಾಗ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿನ್ನ ಸಂಕೀರ್ತ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಬ್ರು ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ನೋಡೇ ನಾನು ಧೈರ್ಯನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ನನ್ಗೆ ಮುಂಚಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೇ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ನು ಅವರೇ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಬ್ರು.
ಸೂಪರ್. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ದು.
ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಧೈರ್ಯನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹುಡುಗರು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಅವರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಏನನ್ನ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಏನನ್ನ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿದ್ರು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಯದಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಈಗೋ ಬಂದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಹುಡುಗರು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗ್ ಬಂದಾರ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ನೋಡಿ ಬಹಳ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ನಾನ್ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ದಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರುನು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರುನು ಸಂಕೀರ್ತ್ CA ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನ. ನಮ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರುನು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಸೇಮ್. ಇವನಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವನು ತಮ್ಮ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೋಹಿತ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟುನಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಇವಾಗ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ.
Okay.
ಅವರಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಕಲ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
I'll just translate to the group. Auntie is saying that she is very much inspired by her two kids. So her like Sankirt and Rohit, both are very much responsible, and they handled the family situations very in a very easy and a good way. And Auntie got inspired by her sons, and she is very proud of them.
He also said something about the school, Lakshmi.
Yes, school, like principal in their school, the principal was saying like kids education or the marks is not just important. It's like how kids should handle the situation. So that is what we need to teach. So once they are out of the school, they should know how to handle each and every situation. So that is what principal was guiding, and Auntie was also guiding her kids, and she's very she's feeling very happy seeing her children's growth. With lot of difficulty, they completed their CA education, and now both are stable, and they handle all the situations in the family in a very easy manner. So that is what auntie is feeling very proud, and seeing them she is more inspired, and she is also learning more things as like driving or learning new language.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Two jewels we found.
So where are you now, Andy? Sujat Garu, where do you live?
From Ballari.
So you're in Ballari now,
Yes.
and he's in Qatar.
Yeah, I am going for a job in Qatar.
I hope this is not being taped.
It is lively
Madhu
stream.
ma'am, are you taping this or is it over?
It's
No,
lively
it is
stream.
live.
Huh? It is live?
Yes.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
In construction, in 2 months, we have completed pyramid construction. In that also, they have involved so much greatly, and they have finished. So many miracles happened in construction when we are constructing pyramid. The younger one was having exams when we are constructing pyramid. Morning he is seeing every works of pyramid, and night he was doing dhanam, meditation, and also learning his BTech final year exam preparation. Our relations and friends are scolding me, why you have kept the construction of pyramid? I told to them, if we are doing a spiritual work to environment, what we will be we can handle both works, spiritual and physical works.
Right.
He has handled both, and he got 75%.
Wow. Wow. Wonderful. When this is what, when we take care of the environment and the people around us, the universe will take care of us.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Auntie. Wow, wonderful experiences sharing. Very happy to see Sankeet and Rohit doing great in their respective works. So thank you for bringing these kids to this world. You are amazing.
I should thanks to Guru Brahmarshi Patriji.
Yes. Yes. So
First, I
thanks
have
to
changed my behaviors. Afterwards, I have learned. I teach to Sankit and Rohit, and the family members also have teached, but they have followed this meditation. They have going excellent, both of them.
Yes. A big thanks to Patri sir. Always, as
Yes,
Sankeet
yes.
was mentioning, gratitude. Gratitude is very important, and to our master and to our father figure, it is very important to express gratitude, because with his simple teachings, with his simple lessons, how to lead life, so we are implementing it, and we are seeing how we are all happy with all the simple concepts which Patri sir shares. So
We are housewives. మేము అంటే ఏమి వర్క్ చేయలేదు మేడం, కానీ ఇంత జ్ఞానం ఇచ్చినారు సార్ బ్రహ్మశ్రీ పత్రిజీ. వాళ్ళకి ఎన్నిసార్లు థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పినా తక్కువే అండి. అసలు ఇంట్లోనే పరిమితం అయ్యే వాళ్ళము, అట్లాంటిది ఇప్పుడు ఈ నాలెడ్జ్ ని ఫాలోఅప్ చేసేసి స్ప్రెడ్ చేసేంత నాలెడ్జ్ వచ్చేసింది. ఎంత జ్ఞానంతో ఆనందంగా జీవించేది ఎంత బాగా నేర్పించినారు సార్.
True. Thank you so much, Auntie.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I want to translate what you have said. Auntie is sharing that once you thanks to Patri sir, because otherwise if Patri sir wouldn't have come into our lives, we would have been just a regular housewives. So Patri sir coming into our lives and teaching about all these meditations and the knowledge, so now we are able to go out and share these things and to inspire many people. So heartfelt gratitude to Patri sir. So thank you so much, Auntie, for not stopping yourself as a housewife, but just going out and being an inspiration to all the women. Like if I can come out, this is what I say, if I can come out of my state, like which I was before, my behaviors and everything, you can also change it. So this is what you're doing, and very happy to see that, Auntie. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Yes, Master Sangeet, you want to say something?
That's it. Thank you all, and I thank everyone. And we
Yes.
all are going together and successfully achieving this, all the success. And everywhere we will have that love, and everyone will show the love, and we'll have peace. When everyone meditates, then there is a peace around the world. Everywhere there is peace. Again, you don't require any army officers, any police officers. When you are meditating, you are in that peace. You will not create harm only. Means where is the question of others? There is peace everywhere. When you meditate, every person meditates, there is peace everywhere. That's enough. That's the only purpose of meditation. There is nothing religion as such in meditation. Meditation is just we are relaxing our mind, and we are making use of it and getting help in our own life and having perfect life, and have happy, healthy, and joyful life, and be in the present moment. That's it. Ever we can create wonders and magics and miracles in life. That's it.
Yes.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sankeet, for your last words. And yes, friends. Yes, Sonu. Sonu. Yes, Sonu. You want to share something?
Yeah, thank you, Sonu and Jagannatha, for joining. They are also from Qatar, madam. He is my
Wow.
colleague.
Wow.
He is so joined.
Yes.
Thanks a
So
lot for joining.
thank you, Sonu, for joining. It's really nice to have you here. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Sangeet, and thanks to all the friends who have joined and who are here in Zoom and also in YouTube. And many people are expressing their gratitude in YouTube as well, Sangeet, and thanks to you once again. So, friends, we will all see each other again tomorrow at the same time at 6 p.m. Germany time, which is 10:30 p.m. India time, and we'll all have a meditations and lots of sharings and lots of new concepts with many different masters. Please do join us and enjoy. Till we see each other tomorrow, have a lovely night and a big hug to you all. Namaste.
Thank you all. Good night.
Good night, Sangeet.
Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.